Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will learn about email validation. What is email validation? The return of investment of email marketing making a high rate reaching 122%. It is 4 times higher than any other digital marketing channel. But it is possible only if you do it correctly. The authority of any email marketing strategy is the email list, which should be clean and deliverable. The first thing you must do is email validation. But firstly, what is email validation? Why do you have to validate email addresses, and how to do it correctly? I will help you answer all these questions in this video. What is email validation? Email validation is the process of verifying whether an email address is valid or invalid. Without a doubt, most marketers use a bulk validation checker to verify hundreds of email addresses at once. So you do a great job to make attempting an effort to collect email addresses using different ways. And you send important emails to the vast contact list. But you just came to know that most of the contacts were not even valid, with the result that some of them may not be formatted correctly. The solution, email validation. Of course, it is verifying an email address to confirm its validity and existence. It also ensures that the email address is deliverable and has a reliable domain such as Gmail or Yahoo. But why must you do the validate email? Why do you have to validate email addresses? For example, suppose you run an email campaign to collect email addresses without email validation. You will get hard bounces for invalid email addresses, and the existing email recipients will get their emails. Use the email validator tool. It is free. Hard bounces impair your sender's reputation, and a poor reputation means decreased email deliverability. So indeed, if some email addresses exist, you will not have to deliver the email to their inboxes. And that may be a big problem, because the email address no longer exists, was a fictitious email address, or was closed by the user. Also discussed are the reasons why you should verify your email addresses. It reduces spam complaints. Best practice indicates that for every 5,000 email messages sent out, you should receive fewer than 5 spam complaints. With the arithmetic operation 5,000 by 0, 1 equals 5. With attention to, blacklist makes your messages stop, including vital transaction emails, are not accepted by the server. What are the benefits of email list validation? The most important benefit of email list validation improves the ROI of marketing campaigns. It indicates how many messages it delivered successfully. Yes, the benefit of email list validation is it helps increase email deliverability. Here are the benefits of email list validation. Helps to increase email deliverability and improves the marketing campaigns. Reduces bounce rate and reduces efforts in fixing bounces. Provides accurate insights and protects your reputation. Saves money and gets better return of investment. Reduces spam complaints and avoids emailing risky email accounts. Catch-all mail servers and detects temporary accounts. It helps to build a reliable database and increase engagement rates. In conclusion, email validation is an essential practice for all marketers, especially those who want to see the best possible return on investment in their marketing campaigns. To sum up, the return of investment of email marketing making a higher rate than any other digital marketing channel. Finally, the authority of any email marketing strategy is the email list, which should be clean and deliverable, but if you know how to do it correctly. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel to get the new tutorials.